All right, guys. Had the first day of chucker hunting slash Hungarian partridge hunting. Ended up getting into some birds and got a little bit of good footage for you. So hope you guys enjoy the my first day out this season. I ended up getting into a little group of birds as soon as I got up the mountain a little ways. It was about, looked like about 7 of them. I didn't have the camera on at the time, but shortly after I turned the camera on and tried to go find them. I couldn't tell if they were chuckers or Hungarian partridge at this point. Finally relocated the group and found out where they landed, so I decided to go make a stop. Alright guys, finally found the group I was after. There's like 5 of them in there. Came down the ridge, suspecting they would kind of circle around. And they were just out here in the middle of, just out here in the open. I took a shot at them, but they were really far away. But they're right up there, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna sneak up on them again. It's so wide open out here. But probably gotta try and swing around this ridge over here, try and get them on the back side, try and get some good footage this time. Alright guys, sorry I didn't have the camera on, but managed to jump another group on the way back to the car. And got one down over here. I'm not sure if it's a chucker or hun. Let's see what we got here. I think it's a hun. Yep, Hungarian partridge. Alright, look at this, huh? Look at this. There we go. That's what they look like. Beautiful birds. Beautiful birds. This is Hungarian partridge and chuckers. They share a lot of the same habitat, so you'll a lot of times see them in the same places. So I wasn't sure what they were when they got up, but took a chance at these ones and got one. All right, guys, finally have something to show for you. Hey guys, heading out for chuckers and slash huns. So gonna try and get some good footage for you today. Gonna go up high looking for chuckers, and then maybe look at some places down below for Hungarian partridge. Here's a little footage just to give you an idea what the area looks like. I have to get up to the top of these ridges to start to find some good habitat, likely hiding spots. Once I got up to the top, I peeked over the edge and saw these 3 deer. It was two mule deer does and then a nice buck. I estimate about 3-point mule deer. It's too bad I didn't have a tag at the time. On the way back to the truck, ended up spooking a good little group of Hungarian partridge, and me and my dad, who I was hunting with, made a good plan to sneak up on them again. And this is the footage we got. It was about 20 birds, I estimate, and when I get one down like that, since I am without a dog, I usually don't try and get any more than that. Once I get one down, I just try and mark it and just go straight to it so I don't lose it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these hunts. Head on over to pinetreesandsolitude.com for more helpful articles to help you on your hunting journey. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.